Good morning, happy Friday, and happy first day of May. So this is just a quick tutorial on how to navigate this comic website, this comic generator. So obviously you will put the name of whatever myth that you are going to retell, whether it's something we've done or something we haven't done. It's up to you. You're going to put your name up here. And then, so here are your comic panels. All you have to do is just click on whichever one that you want to use. Obviously, since it's you're creating a comic strip, you're gonna pretty much retell whatever myth using these three. If you want to add an additional one, you can just press the add button here. If you want to remove one, remove the panel with the negative. This toolbox here will move to whichever panel you're focused on. Because this is a free comic generator, doesn't have the most wide variety of things to choose, so you can have to make do with what you have. But you have different, like you have your onomatopoeia words here, greeting cards. You have, you have your people on technology here, characters, your text, balloons and prompts and thoughts and everything. You have different objects, you have masks and backgrounds. So I have a background, a text box, and a thought bubble, because you see we have the little dots right here, and I have a character up here. So this is just an example of how to navigate this toolbox and how to, I guess, edit things your way. So the background, no matter what, if you click on the background, it's going to go right to the background, because obviously it is what it is. So this move function allows you to move whatever. You can move the thought bubble, you can move the person, or you can even move the background, but I'd keep the background where it is. The scale allows you to control the size of the items that you click on. So same thing with the background, but it's up to you. It depends on how you want to create your retelling of the comic. I'm going to do flip first. So flip allows you to flip everything horizontally only, not vertically. It's only going to go horizontally. And if you try to flip the box, or the text box, your writing will be in reverse as well. So the bring to the front function, it works like you're stacking things on top. So if I want the text box to be on top, so I'm just going to move that right there, and I'm going to move him right there. So obviously we want the text box to be kind of behind the guy. So I click him, he gets moved to the front automatically. If I want the text box to be in the front, it'll be in the front. Do not click the background, because that means I'll move the background to the front. Everything will disappear behind the background. So in order to see what you've chosen, you'd have to delete that, and then you can re-put in the background. And like I said, because it is a background, it will go straight to the back again. So it's pretty easy to navigate, in my opinion, at least. So I wouldn't want you to create a overly long comic strip, because comic strips are typically only 3 panels. So if you can kind of keep it down to at least three to maybe 5 panels at the max, then that would be great. And remember, so the assignment, you are going to retell a myth, whether it's Greek or Egyptian or Norse, or even Japanese or Chinese, or you can retell it in your own way, but you have to make sure that if you are going to choose a myth that was outside of the ones that we typically looked at, you have to make sure that you put the actual name. So you would put whatever you want to name it, and then in parentheses the retelling of, and then the actual name of the myth itself. So, and obviously make sure whatever you are submitting is appropriate. And if there's anything that's inappropriate, it's obviously going to be written up and it's going to be documented. So I don't really want to have to do that. So in order to send it to me, to make sure that I can give you your extra credit, you're going to click print and email, and just go right to email, put your name, put your email, and send it to my email. And then from there, that would be it. I will receive it. I'll be able to give you the credit for it. And because this is an extra credit assignment, I just want to let you know it's not going to go towards an assessment. Hopefully you completed the unit assessment before you were looking at this. And if you have any questions, I will be here to further assist if you have any further troubles with this.